We all know that Windows allows us to load and use several programs simultaneously and simply switch between these programs with a simple keystroke. If we have a few programs loaded, then we can minimize these programs and hide them from view while we work with another program on the full screen. The minimized programs will be reduced to icons shown on the taskbar. We can show any of the programs on the full screen merely by clicking on the taskbar icon for the program we want to switch to and want to see on the full screen. We can also hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and press the Tab key to switch between programs shown on the full screen. Using Windows standard copy and paste features, we can copy information in one field in a program and post that information into another field, either in the same program or even post that information into a completely different program that you have loaded. Consider copying data from fields in WinTax and pasting that same data directly into SARS's eFiling program. I have WinTax 2017 loaded, as well as SARS's eFiling program, where I'm doing a second period provisional estimate. I have both WinTax 2017 and SARS's eFiling programs loaded and minimized where they are reduced to icons on the taskbar. If I hold down the Alt key and press the Tab key, then I switch between WinTax 2017 and the eFiling program to maximize the program I want to use. I can also simply click on the minimized icons on the taskbar to maximize either program to full screen size. On the ProvTax estimate screen in WinTax, I will now mark the amount I've entered in the field for estimated taxable income. I mark the amount of 654321.99 by clicking in this field and marking the amount by dragging the cursor across the characters in this field to highlight the amount. I then hold down the Control key on the keyboard and press the C key, that's C for copy, to copy the amount of 654321.99 into the computer's clipboard or memory. I now use the Alt and the Tab key on the keyboard or click on the taskbar icon to display the eFiling program. This is the eFiling provisional estimate input screen on the full screen, and then I click anywhere here in the field labeled Estimated Taxable Income and hold down the Control key on the keyboard and press the V key, V for Victor, to paste the amount from the computer's clipboard or memory into this field. Obviously, this works just as easily when copying assessment data from WinTax to SARS's ITR12 eFiling screen. Let's go back to the WinTax program. When the eFiling season opens every year and SARS makes the new ITR12 form format available on eFiling, we update WinTax with a new ITR12 report. This ITR12 report is purposefully designed to assist you in copying WinTax assessment data to the ITR12 form on eFiling. Note that instead of using Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste, we can right mouse click in the field that we have marked and use the menu to left click on copy or paste. All computers have the option to run two screens off the same computer, which means you can have two programs visible in full screen mode at the same time. You can simply click on the bar at the top of the program and drag it over to the other screen and maximize it for full use over here. You can then move your cursor freely between programs and screens and operate both programs. Copying and pasting data between the two programs is even easier. You just move your cursor across to the other screen, click in a field and paste.